Well, we didn't expect these views on our doorstep this morning. We've decided last minute to go camping as usual. So let's pack up and get on the road. We're heading to cottage fields in Llansteffan, so I'm quite looking forward to checking this out. It's right by the water. I've rung the owner. They said it's very quiet there, perfect for us. So yeah, let's get on the road.
Storms on the roof.
Just heading now to meet my mate Dylan. He's coming in his camper van. I'm going to meet him now and then make our way down to cottage fields. Weather's looking good, traffic isn't too bad. We'll go now, grab some meat, probably have a barbecue, and we'll have a cook up once we get to the site. Let's go.
We can drive past the signs over the borders of our mind. 'Cause today's
Dylan's taking a wrong turn because apparently my rear indicator isn't working. I didn't see that I was going right. So we're going to call in Morrison's now, grab some food for tonight to cook, and check this indicator. I might have to grab a bulb while I'm there.
the sun. Day was great, we made it shine. And you were mine. The world outside can fall apart.
Enough said.
I don't
Here he is, not far behind me.
have your heart. 'Cause you have mine, you have mine. Don't forget what's beneath the concrete. There's a wonderful world beneath the concrete. We can dance all night, break the concrete. Flowers will bloom and cover the streets. Don't forget what's beneath the concrete. It's coming through the cracks and through the concrete. We can dance all night.
We have arrived at cottage fields. Let's get the camp set up now, get a fire going, get some food on the cooker.
Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Yeah, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Ain't no place gonna hold me when the road keep rolling on. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. I told her love ain't chained down, it just comes and drifts away. Yeah. Saw the sun in the distance.
Morning. Lovely sleep. Slept all night. But this morning I woke up and it was boiling. Diesel had been on all night. Only on number 2. But it was absolutely boiling. So I've opened the skylight to let some of the heat out. I don't know if Dylan's awake yet. I'll go give him a knock now. Well, let's get up, see what kind of morning it is. It looks lovely out there. Oh, yeah, right. Let's get on with it.
On in the distance, look like a burning coin. Lord, I don't need no preacher, just that dust roll to join.
Oh, it's a beautiful morning. Look at these views. They're right by the seawall. You got the waves lapping in. See the castle up there. Sunrise. Camp. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, we're going to get some breakfast on the go now. Have a cup of coffee, have a bacon roll. Maybe go for a walk on the beach. Well, we didn't expect these views on our doorstep this morning. Turned up quite late yesterday, so it was a bit dark, a bit dusky, but we've woken up to this. I'll walk over to this sandy bit of beach here now. Oh, there's stepping stones here, and I don't know if I like this idea. Go on, you first. Yeah, here we go. Oh, it's a wobbly one. Made it. What are these then? That's got to be a crab or something, is that? Oh my god. There's a lovely looking castle there. So I think we're going to go for a walk up there now. Let's check that out. Breakfast time. Oh, I'm out of breath walking up here now. But the views are unbelievable. This castle's pretty impressive as well.
the castle, king of the castle.
River's thin.
Oh, I can't.
No, easy! Don't I was fucking under it.
It's too heavy.
Oh, it's high up here. This would have been a toilet, probably. Yesterday. That's exactly where we camped yesterday. Right, we're walking down from a castle now. Call it a day, I think. But don't forget to like and subscribe. And we may go camping again soon. Definitely be more off-road action and more Land Rover stuff. See you next time.